Do you have a favorite food that is somewhat healthy? Probably not. You might think, how are you going to make chicken fingers and fries healthy? Eating healthy is very important because if you don't eat healthy, you can't do exercise as well as you used to. My issue is modifying recipes to improve healthy benefits. My opportunity is making a kid's favorite meal healthier. It is important to me because not eating healthy can lead to being heavyweight and not ending up with a lot of exercise. My driving question that drove my exhibition is, how can you make chicken fingers and fries healthy but still tasty? I asked my driving questions, I thought about my topic, I brainstormed on what I was going to do, I researched on my topic, and started planning. I started with just making chicken fingers, and then baking instead of frying, adding new spices. I improved the structure of chicken finger by adding pretzels and not cooking the panko. The challenges that I faced were how staying at home was harder to do because you couldn't do your work in a group like past years. I learned that you can make chicken fingers and fries healthy and tasty at the same time. I also learned from the documentary Super Size Me. I learned that if you eat from fast food restaurants, it will affect your digestive system and your body weight. What I learned from talking to Krista Maybank is that frying instead of baking, frying is worse because it adds a lot of bad oils in your diet. My thinking before was that you could never modify chicken fingers. What I would do differently next time is I would choose a food that was less complicated. Now you can have your favorite food and being healthy and tasty at the same time.